is certainly possible for you to develop influence mastery so that you can influence others to do what you want. When you become an influence master, you will have something called conversion with others. When you are a master influencer, others will start to see you as a symbol that they identify with. One of the mistakes that a lot of people make is that they think that influence and persuasion are the same thing. Persuasion is an element of influence and is often used as part of the process of influencing others, but it is not the same as influence. In order for you to be an influence master, you need to know what influence really is. And on the other hand, you need to accept that it is going to take time and effort to develop influence mastery. Here's where my advice for you comes in. With my advice, you will learn how to influence others to do what you want. You will learn how people are wired and how they make decisions so that you can influence them. You will be able to build unshakable credibility. You will learn the benefits and importance of influence. You will learn 8 influence and persuasion methods you can use in business. To make it easy, I've put together a step-by-step guide that will show you exactly how it's done. This is how you effectively influence others. No stones are left unturned when you get your hands on this now. You will become a complete expert on this, and you'll get everything you need inside to do the same. Here's just a quick preview of what you'll discover inside. Understanding influence. The rules of influence. The benefits and importance of influence. How people are wired. How to build unshakable credibility. Influence and persuasion methods in business. The importance of the decision-making process. How to maintain your ability to influence. The 3 key tactics of influence mastery. Influencer mastery best practices. Plus, a whole lot more. This is the easiest way to effectively influence others. Who needs this step-by-step guide? If you answer yes to any of the below, you need this. You want to know how to influence others to do what you want. You want to know how people are wired and how they make decisions so that you can influence them. You want to build unshakable credibility. You want to know the benefits and importance of influence. You want to know 8 influence and persuasion methods you can use in business. Does this sound like exactly what you need? But maybe your next question is, how much? If you were going to hire an expert on this to show you how it's done, you could easily find yourself investing hundreds of dollars for this sort of coaching. In fact, many people invest hundreds and thousands of dollars to get into coaching programs or attend workshops. But you won't have to invest anywhere near that today, and it just keeps getting better. When you make the wise decision to grab this today, you'll also get these fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1, cheat sheet, valued at $27. This cheat sheet is a handy checklist that makes it easy to get started. It breaks up the entire guide into easy-to-follow steps so that you can make sure you have all the highlights of everything covered right inside at your fingertips. Fast action bonus number 2, mind map, valued at $17. Some people learn better by looking at a mind map. The mind map gives you an overview of everything covered inside the guide. You can also print it out for quick reference anytime you need it. Fast action bonus number 3, resource guide, valued at $17. The resource guide gives you a quick point of reference to all of the resources mentioned throughout the guide. This makes it easy to plug in and stick with what you're looking for. Try this guide on my dime. There's no risk. There are a lot of people that claim to offer a solution on how to effectively influence others, so it's understandable if you're a little skeptical. I can keep telling you just how great my guide is, but you really need to go through it and see for yourself what it's all about to know if it's for you. That's why I'm giving you up to 30 days to decide if this is for you. If for any reason or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with what's inside, simply send me an email and I'll refund every penny of your tiny investment, no questions asked. Click the button below now to get instant access. Thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at this extremely limited offer that has the potential to help you effectively influence others. I'll see you on the inside. It is